Today, we're tearing down a Nokia G42 5 grams. First, power off the phone. We're using a PolarTech Magic Self-Heating Pad. Heat the back cover for around 10 minutes. Time's up. Use a thin metal tool to create an opening gap. Apply a little alcohol to weaken the adhesive. Once the gap gets larger, insert a plastic pick. Carefully slide around the edges to separate the back cover. If you feel resistance, add a little more alcohol. Luckily, this back cover is made of plastic, so cracking it is less of a concern. But pay extra attention to this area here. Do not insert the tool too deeply. You could damage the fingerprint flex cable. Nice, the back cover is finally removed. Clean off the old adhesive around the frame. Now remove the 5 visible screws. Next, we can remove the midframe. Start by ejecting the SIM tray. You can see several clips holding the frame in place. Use a pry tool to release the clips. Sometimes fingernails work surprisingly well too. Remove this screw first. The midframe is covered with antenna structures. Now remove the remaining screws. There are 13 screws in total. Use a pry tool to remove the motherboard shield. Most importantly, disconnect the battery first. Then disconnect the remaining BTB connectors. This copper foil belongs to the front camera. Now disconnect the camera connectors one by one. The main camera comes out with the motherboard. Let's move to the lower section. This is the loudspeaker. Next, disconnect the black and white coaxial cables. Use a pry tool to remove the charging board. This part is slightly difficult. You need to find the correct pry point. There's also another screw hidden near the motherboard. Make sure not to miss it. The motherboard itself is also a little tricky. The main camera is located right here. Now we can start removing the battery. Heat the device again for another 5 minutes. This green pull tab helps release the battery. Lift it slightly to remove the battery. The main FPC cable runs underneath here. There's also a vibration motor below. Apply a little alcohol to soften the adhesive. And here is the earpiece. Everything has now been fully disassembled. Let's take a look at all the parts together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.